See, I'll give you a hack today, and I'll conclude the lecture because it's already 4:30. You might have some questions for the same. या कभी आपने ये सोचा होगा, कभी आपने ना अपने टीचर्स को भी पूछा होगा, सर महाराष्ट्र नदी था तो रास नदी था तो महाराष्ट्र नदी क्यों बनाने की जरूरत पड़ी? When the Tiktankam was there, so why this Mahatiktakam came into existence? Yogaraj Google was there, sir. Why Mahayogaraj Google came into it? I'll tell you the difference. Please catch it. And there are students. Usually, this is a question which is asked in your exam, and the people they fail to answer. When Mahavadvidwans was there, Mahavadvidwans, why it has been added? Please put it into your bracket. Please hammer it into your mind. Maha means what? When you have Maha word, some dravyas which are brihaniya in nature, which is rasayana in nature, is added to it. I'll make it very clear. You have Rasnadi, and when it comes to Maharasnadi, there are some few drugs which are added to it. And what are that drugs? Usually that drugs are brihaniya and rasayan in nature. I'll give you an example. It is very simple. When it is Rasnadi Kashayam and Maharasnadi Kashayam, Rasnadi Kashayam, there's some more drugs which is added to Maharasnadi Kashayam is Shatavari and Ashwagandha. But this, if you study a lot, you will come to know Shatavari and Ashwagandha, they are not with Rasnadi Kashayam. It is only with Maharasnadi Kashayam. So wherever you need Brihaniya effect of a particular drug, Maharasnadi Kashayam can be given. Rasnadi Kashayam cannot be given. So Rasnadi Kashayam is very simple. Rasnadi Kashayam can be given to the patient who has got Santarpanajanya Vyadhi, who has got Upastambit Vat. At the same time, if you have Nirupastambit Vat, at the same time, if you want to give Google, Maharasnadi, if you want to give Shatavari and Ashwagandha. Because this works like Rasayana and so Maharasnadi. So any drug which has got, and some drugs which are added so as to make that kalpa brihani in nature. So this is used. So Dr. Tiktakam, Mahatiktakam, yes, Mahatiktakam 50% has got Amalaki. And Amalaki is more of Rasayana. That 50% in Tiktakam Kashayam is only 20% what Amalaki is given. But in Mahatiktakam 50% Amalaki is given. Now we are only interested in Dr. Yogaraj and Mahayogaraj Google is what? Because this is what we keep on using in our usual practice. See, Yogaraj and Mahayogaraj Google mein Bhasmas is added. In Yogaraj Google, you don't have Bhasmas. You have Abhrak Bhasma, Nag Bhasma, Sindur Bhasma, you have Raupya Bhasma, and all these Bhasma, usually they are Kashaya Satmak and they are going to increase Kapha in your body. And once the Kapha is increases, the Apatarpan Janya Vyadhi is going to be rectified. So here, एक ही चीज ध्यान में रखिए कि here Bhasmas and some Bruhaniya and Rasayana. What is the difference if the examiner comes to you, examiner in the final exam comes to you, sir, come on, Dr. Pandey, tell me one thing. What is the difference between Yoga and Mahayogaraj Google? Sir, there are certain drugs which are Brihani and Rasayani and nature is added to Maha. So it is Maha. Simple. Okay. Yogaraj is Kaphavatahar. Right? This is the last slide, the concluding slide. Yogaraj is Kaphavatahar and Mahayogaraj is Yogaraj is Kaphavatahar. Just requires some rectification here. Yogaraj is Kaphavatahar and Mahayogaraj is Vatakafar. So what is the difference, doctor? Same, no. Yogaraj is Kaphavatahar and Mahayogaraj is Vatakafar. No. There is a difference. See, here, Yogaraj, when you say Kaphavatahar, the drugs what you have and the formulation is Ushna and Ruksha. So with Ushna and Ruksha, it is going to pacify the Kapha first, and then with the Ushna Virya, it is going to subside the Kapha, Vata. But here in Mahayogaraj Google, it is Ushna and Snigdha. Means what? With Ushna, it is going to pacify the Vata first, and then with the Snigdha Guna, it is going to pacify the Kapha. This is the major difference what you have. So in case if you have degenerative changes, Mahayogaraj Google, when you have to give, always try to give it with Maharasnadi Kashayam. Don't give it Rasnadi Kashayam. Mahayogaraj, Maharasnadi. Yogaraj, Rasnadi. If you have to give Panchatikta Ghrut Google along with, if you want to give Kaishor Google along with for degenerative skin diseases, then you have to give it with Mahatiktakam. Don't give it with Tiktakam. You can give it Mahatiktakam. Maharashtra, this is a very good point. Maharasnadi Kashayam, Vishesh Falashruti, it will give fertility to the patient. If Mahayogaraj Google is Maharasnadi Kashayam, Mahayogaraj Google is given to the patient, it will give fertility. It is again the Falashruti. this I conclude my lecture. There's more to say this, because see, I'll tell you one thing. Ayurvedic management for the common problems, and when you say it is a common problem is again not a common problem. It's a vast problem in the field of Ayurveda, because it's only 3-4 vyadis which has been covered. But yes, any patient coming to you, please see to it कि आम पाचन is the first thing. You have to say your patient कि आम पाचन. If you want to retain your patient for a long time, I'll give you a very beautiful idea. With last sentence, I'll close up. See, मैं usually अपने patient को ऐसे बोलता हूँ कि अगर आपके घर में पेंटिंग होने वाली होगी तो आप क्या करते हैं? तो हम डायरेक्ट पेंट लगाते हैं क्या? नहीं डॉक्टर साहब, मैं डायरेक्ट पेंट नहीं लगाता हूँ. क्या करते हैं? आप खरोचते हैं, उसका पेंट निकालते हैं, देन आप उसके लांबी चढ़ाते हैं. So this takes good amount of time. Yes sir, this is what I'm doing. I'm just scrapping the vitiated doses of your body. तो 10 दिन तक आपको कोई रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा. Please assure your patient and be so confident कि first 10 days you're not going to get result. Don't come to me crying that sir 10 दिन में मेरे को कुछ result नहीं मिला. Maybe results will start after 15 days, and then we'll give you small amount of disease, small amount of medicines, and the things are going to be rectified. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for the patient listening. Thank you. Dr. Amit?
Sir, thank you so much, sir.
Great. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Hello.
Presentation. Hello. Thank you so much, sir, for such an beautiful presentation and informative lecture on diabetic management.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Now the session is open for question answers. So we'll wait for 1 minute.
I had
if there are any questions or queries regarding
right,
participants can post it in the chat box.
Right. I had a very good question here, sir. Nothing has been explained about Avipattikar. I'll tell you a very good thing. Actually, because of some constraint of the time, I was not able to. But if I have got some space, I'm going to talk on something on Avipattikar. You know, Avipattikar, the maximum amount of sharkara, or not sharkara, you can say mishri, what you have, the maximum amount is there with this. The maximum amount of Trivritta. Trivritta is the one which is Rechiniya, and it is Pitta Rechiniya. Please, it is very important. Why? I'll tell you a very important. Sir, am I audible? Hello?
Sir, you are audible. Hello?
Yeah. Sir, I'll give you a very beautiful thing, sir. Because it is like, because the people are going to practice now Ayurveda, there are target specific drugs. I'm going to put down a question. Just see to it how beautifully the things can be designed, right? When you have some skin problem, see please, when you have some skin problem, Panchatikta is given, right? Panchatikta is given. When Panchatikta is given, what are that Panchatikta? It is Vasa, it is Guruchi, it is Nimba, it is Patol, and one more thing, right? But you see to it, the best Tikta Dravya, Shreshta Tikta Dravya is Kutki, but it is not mentioned in Panchatikta. Is it not? आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता है आश्चर्यचकित जैसा नहीं होता है कि यार सबसे बेस्ट ड्रग, सबसे श्रेष्ठ तिक्त रसात्मक द्रव्य यार कुटकी है, लेकिन पंचतिक्त में उसको कहीं किसी ने जगह नहीं दिया. इतनी श्रेष्ठ रसात्मक द्रव्य इसमें नहीं. लेकिन आई टेल यू वन थिंग, प्लीज गो एंड रिफर ऑल दिस Panchatikta, Nimba, I'm sorry, one drug. All these 5 drugs which are being mentioned in Panchatikta has got mode of excretion through the skin. They don't go off through your, they don't go out of your body through your kidneys. They don't go out through your lungs. They don't go out through your gallbladder. But at the same time, why Kutki has been mentioned in Arogyavardhini, I'll tell you one thing, कि Kutki का mode of excretion is through the gallbladder. So जो जहां से secrete हो रहा है boss, वो वहां जाके काम करता है. So all this Panchatikta, if you see, it is secreted, it has been eliminated, it has been pushed out of your body through your skin. So it works on your skin. The same way I'm telling you, Avipattikar Churnam has got a drug which is called as Lavang in it. I'll tell you what is the specificity, what is the beauty of that Lavang. Saeva Pitta Dharakala, Saeva Majja Dharakala. Lavang is a drug which directly goes and works on your Majjava Srotas. When I say it goes directly and works on your Majjava Srotas means what? Ki if you have a person with IBS coming to you, and the person IBS usually when you see IBS, usually the patient have some stress conditions, like thoda bhi stress hua, he has to run, thoda bhi stress hua, he has to go for loose, and again 3, 4, 5 times he has to go for loose motion. But Sayeva Pittadhara Kala, Sayeva Majjadhara Kala, it is sedative. अगर आप देखेंगे ना उसमें जो लवंग है इट इज सीडेटिव. आप कहीं भी जादू टोना मंत्र वाले बाबा होते हैं ना, जितने भी मंत्र मारते हैं बाबा महाराष्ट्र में, यूपी में वगैरह, जितने भी ऑल ओवर इंडिया जितने लोग मारते हैं, दे यूज लवंग. एंड यूजली व्हाट दे डू कि ये भूत उतार रहे हैं ना बॉस, तो एक काम करो, ये रात को ना लवंग पानी में भिगो और सुबह पी लो. यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज दे आर सीडेटिव. And for IBS now it is known, Saiva Pittadhara Kala, Saiva Majjadhara Kala, Pitta and Majjadhara Kala is now related. Now you have a big theory of brain gut, which was known to them. And so Avipattikar Churnam is the Churna which can be easily can be given in IBS. And if you have Pitta dominance, then the way I told you na, it is Vidagdha Jeena. When you have Pitta, doctor साहब असं ना कडवट पाणी येतो, खूप कडवट पाणी येतं मला, मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा ऐसा खट्टा मीठा पानी आता है डॉक्टर साहब. सो दैट इज द प्लेस वेर यू कैन गिव अविपत्तिकर. एंड अविपत्तिकर आप वापस एक ब्रैकेट में लिख लो, अविपत्तिकर इज अ वेरी गुड, it is a very good rechak, no doubt it is a very good pitta rechak, but I use personally in the patient with stone and I get very good results out of it. And at the same time when you try to give avipattikar to your patient, it is rechak, but at the same time it is a very good sedative. मैंने आपको क्या बोला कि when a patient with Vidagdha Jeena come to you, insomnia is the problem. And when you give, आज जाके ना अदरक, आज जाके ना अच्छी तरह से लवंग अच्छी तरह पढ़िए, आपको समझ में आएगा लवंग is a very good sedative. So if you want rechak as well as if you want to work on your brain, so at the same time you can give avipattikar churna to the patient.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you so much, sir, for a nice explanation on Avipattikar Churna. There is next question from Dr. Umesh Kale. Sir, kindly explain about Rasaraj, sir, Rasa clinically.
Right. Hello.
Yes, sir.
See, Dr. Umesh, as we had a beautiful slide for Rasaraj also, but just see to it कि wherever the patient has got neurodegenerative disorders, that is a place where you can use Rasaraj Ras. Whenever you have a spine disorders, especially spine disorders, see Rasaraj Ras can be differentiated from Bruhatva Chintamani in a place, the places where you have a hemiplegia cannot be given. The place where you have paraplegia, Rasaraj Ras can be given. Rasaraj Ras is a drug of choice in Dhatu Shayjanya Vata Vyadhi, and it is neurodegenerative disorders jahan bhi hoga Rasaraj Ras can be given, because Rasaraj Ras, if you see, it is full of bhasmas only. It is not Ushna and Tishna in nature. Rasaraj Ras is Sheet Madhur in nature, so it can be given in degenerative disorders. So wherever you have hemorrhages, you can give Rasaraj Ras. If you have hemorrhages, if you have got occlusion, you can give Rasaraj Ras. But wherever there is obstructive pathology, you cannot give Rasaraj Ras.